Hi, this is Polyban Teachers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Hi, this is Polyban Teachers and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting episode of Daily Dose. Today's Daily Dose will include Thought of the Day, 4 vocabulary words with meanings, and something more about soft skills. So stay tuned to my channel, #Polyban Teachers. Thought of the Day: if you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes your sacrifice. I repeat the thought. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. 4 vocabulary words are banter, barrage, barbaric, and barren. Banter is a verb which means converse in a playful or teasing way. The next is barrage, which is a noun which means an artificial barrier across a river. The next is barbaric. It's an adjective which means savagely or cruel. Barren, which is an adjective which means too poor to produce much. Now the next I am going to talk about is another type of soft skills, and that is positivity. Nothing can stop a man from achieving his goal if he has right mental attitude or a positive perspective towards any problem. So now I am going to give you 5 tips for having positive attitude. The first one is avoid negative thinking or complaining. It's easy to have a positive attitude when things go your way, but it is very difficult to maintain that positive attitude when things do not go your way or when you face any difficult or challenging situations. It is easy to keep a negative attitude or complaining attitude when you face any difficult situation. But have you ever thought that what good will it give if you think in that way? Instead, think about something constructive. Try to face that difficult situation or challenging situation with a positive perspective. Try to find out a new way to do that or to handle that situation. The second is spend time with people who have positive attitude. Some say you become like those people with whom you choose to be with. That is why it is very important to be in the company of those people who have positive attitude towards any problem. Every workplace has that type of people who have a negative attitude towards any problem. They always keep on complaining. In a workplace, it is difficult to ignore them. So what you should do? A better way to deal with such type of negative people is to just talk to them in a polite way, and when you find them complaining, just excuse yourself and leave that conversation. How habits are formed? Remember, the people you choose to spend your time with will greatly impact your thoughts. Your thoughts will become your talk. Your talk will become your feelings, and your feelings will become your behavior. And finally, repeated behavior will definitely become your habits. So try to ignore these negative people or try to choose those people who will give you good thoughts, positive approach towards any work you come across. How did you feel when you did not have any job? Just remember those days when you were searching or when you were trying so many jobs but you failed, and then count the benefits of the present job. you will find that you have so many benefits from the present job. There are many benefits of having a job. A job helps you to pay your bills. It also helps you to build your sense of worth. It helps you to pay for your vacation and even make friends. So try to have a positive attitude and always give worth, give importance to your job. The next is give yourself a chance to recharge. It's important to work hard, but it is equally important to take a break in between, because if you don't take a break, it will affect your work. Burnout employee will have a bad attitude and poor performance. So when you take break, your mind gets rest and then you bounce back with double charge. The last is reward yourself for doing good work. We all respond positively to rewards. Even if there is no system of rewarding at your workplace, you can start your own reward system. Reward yourself for achieving a goal or for completing a target. Reward does not have anything to do with a lot of money. You can do trivial things, small things which you like, and in this way you can reward yourself. For example, you can just go for a shopping. You can treat yourself with delicious food in a good restaurant, or you can buy something, some new dress or something which you like the most, which you had wanted for a long time. This way you can reward yourself. Giving yourself these types of reward will always help you to get motivated and recharge you to do more work and give efficient work. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PolyBandTeaches. I will give more inputs about soft skills in my next video. Till then, bye bye.